Girl, I can't breathe, I'm out of breath. Hey y'all, so today I want to do a closet declutter, and I have been putting this off for a very long time, and at this point I have no excuse because all I got is time. It's like all I got is time. I ain't going nowhere, so what's my excuse? I ain't got none no more. So this is my closet or whatever. It ain't like the biggest. I have a lot of pieces in here where I don't necessarily hate them, but I don't necessarily love them either. So when I go to put my clothes together, I look like I have all these options, but I tend to skip over them, if you know what I'm saying. So at this point, the items that I don't necessarily love and don't reach for are taking up space, and it's time for them to be evicted. If I don't wear it or I don't love it, it's got to go. Oh, this is heavy. This is so heavy. So I took all of my outerwear out of the closet. So this is the first item. This is an only the jean jacket, and I think I've had this for about 4 years now, and I definitely got my wears out of it, and I really like it. Last summer I didn't really reach for it much at all, and I don't really see myself reaching for it this summer. You know, if we're allowed to go outside or anything, I don't really see myself getting much wear out of this, so I think this can go. Oh, I feel like I might regret throwing this out because it's so hard for me to find jeans jackets that I love. Oh. This is why I don't declutter my closet, because it's so difficult for me to do it. I don't know. I kind of. Okay, we're gonna put this in a maybe pile. Yeah, maybe. I don't know if I can let this go. This is my windbreaker, keeping her. I already know that. This is another jacket I have. Absolutely love it. Love the distressing. Love that it's a faded black, so she gets to stay. This is a duster coat. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I love this item so much. I wear it all the time, so I'm gonna keep that. Now we have this jacket. Yeah, this can go. And it's kind of bittersweet because I always get so many compliments on this jacket when I wear it. I actually really love the style and everything, but I think it's time for me to upgrade and get a new jacket. If you've seen like my fall styling video, you'd have seen that this jacket has been worn to death. I have definitely gotten my use out of it and my wear out of it, and also it's getting a little snug, you know what I'm saying? You know, getting a little snug, you know, I'm getting a little older, so I'm putting on a little bit of weight, and it doesn't necessarily, it's not as easy to layer with this anymore because of how tightly fitted it is. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Now let me try it on. 1 second. Because you know what I'm saying? It's hard to part with these things. Oh man. Oh, but then you put it on and it's like, are you sure you want to get rid of me? Are you sure? Ooh, what do y'all think? Should I get rid of this? I don't know. This looks so badass. This looks so good. I'm gonna get rid of it because I know I'm gonna buy a new jacket that isn't so distressed, because this has been loved and it's starting to fall apart. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This is another windbreaker. I know I'm keeping that. Don't need to try her on. Recently bought this. If you watch my fall must-have, then you know. I just got it. Love it. I'm gonna keep that. This jacket here, I have a love-hate relationship with it. Like, in theory, the style is nice, and it definitely, you know, is always on trend around the winter time. It's a nice jacket to wear in the summertime when it gets chilly at night. But I just don't necessarily love the way it looks on me. And the thing that throws me off, I think, let me just look. Yeah, the thing that throws me off is kind of like the shoulders, and as well as like the buckling. I don't like this detailing right here being so close to my neck. I think it would have been better if it was down here. So I don't necessarily like the way this is, you know, situated. I feel like I can find a better version of this winter that would be more suited for me. I think I would like the fur on the inside and kind of like the patent leather on the outside. I think that's more my style now. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna move on to my sweaters now. This is definitely where I'm gonna have an issue letting go, because I love sweaters. I love them so much. Keeping this, it's just literally one of the only casual sweaters I have in my closet, so that stays. This, literally, I don't think I'll ever get rid of this. I love the color, and it just looks really good on my body, so no need to throw that out. Love this sweater. It's oversized, it's gray, very comfy, very casual. I tend to wear this a lot in the wintertime with like leggings and boots. So love this, and I thrifted it, and honestly, thrifting is really where it's at. Like, I really need to get back into thrifting. I used to thrift all the damn time. Like this sweater right here, thrifted. Love this sweater. It looks a little janky, but I swear to God, when it's on my body and when I style it, I love the way it looks. This, come on, girl, no. This I love. I always get compliments on it when I wear it. This for sure can go. This thing is so ill-fitted on me. I absolutely hate it. Okay, boom. Yeah, okay, so here it is. I already regret putting my body into this already. I hate this. I hate this. I hate. Oh god, I hate this turtleneck. Okay, so the main reason I dislike it is that it's a little big for me. It doesn't sit on my body nicely. My arms constantly feel restricted. I'm constantly, whenever I wear, I'm like readjusting it so that my arm feels comfortable in it. So here's the other sweater. It's a nice color. It fits my body nicely. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do long sleeve t-shirts. This is staying. This belongs to my dad, and may he rest in peace. I will never get rid of this top ever. And it looks, the color against my skin is banging. Like when I put this on, it is a true moment. This I got when I went to Leon Bridges' tour. Love Leon Bridges. His music just speaks to my soul. So not getting rid of that. This is an oversized t-shirt. I haven't worn it in some time. The camera turned off, but what is new? I went ahead and buttoned up this top, and I'm keeping her. I completely forgot about this top. It's basically like a t-shirt dress, and I love it. It's very, it just looks good. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This item, ooh, yeah, this item can go. This item can go. I'm not into plaid anymore. Yeah, it can go. It can go. I don't want to see this anymore. Let's move on to all my tops. Love her. You guys have seen me haul this top. I have two of these tops right here. I know for a fact I want to keep the gray one. This is definitely a nice just throw on top. Put on some shorts and or some jeans and go. Like, it's simple, it's clean. Don't really think much about it. Love this. Love the color. This is a top I recently hauled. I was planning my trip to go to Trinidad, and I don't know if I want to keep this. So I just went ahead and took out the sports bra just so you guys can see what this is serving. I think I'm gonna keep it. I like the color. I do like the color. On a regular day, I would definitely wear cami underneath just to cover some of this cleavage because it's a lot for me. Can never go wrong with having black bodysuits. This one, I don't know if I want to keep this one. The reason is that the bottom doesn't unlatch. It's just a full-on bodysuit. I love this. It has square neckline detailing, which I really love and appreciate, but it's kind of a pain in the ass when I wear it, to be honest. It really is. Here it is without the sports bra. Do you see what I'm talking about? The cut of this top is just so sexy. So I'm gonna keep this bodysuit. This is something I recently hauled from Fashion Nova. Now that I've tried this on without my sports bra, this is definitely gonna go because it's just a lot of cleavage. This is another bodysuit, low cut. Never worn it, as you can see. I bought it because one side of it was tacked here and one side wasn't. I eventually bursted both sides to see if I could just make it work, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy it, and I'm gonna see if I can get it reattached by like a seamstress. I love the color. It's just realistically, I don't see myself going to a seamstress just to get the two sides tacked. I just don't. So I'm just gonna let it go. Love this top, so I'm gonna keep it. No need to try that on. Love this top. Love this top. This top is so pretty on my skin. The color, everything. Beautiful. Love it. Keeping this. This is like a turtleneck top. Keeping that. I love this. Keeping this. This top, I really like it. Love the color. Love the fit. But for me, it needs to be iron and pressed. And because of that, I tend to not go for it when I'm getting ready to go out. But look at how cute this is. Oops. It's really cute. Okay, I'm not getting rid of it. I'm not getting rid of it. I am not getting rid of it. Nope, 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 no. This can go. My mom was actually decluttering her closet. And I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I love it. And what I had envisioned was like an all black moment. Like wearing this over something black. And just, I don't know, being elegant in it. And it just, I don't know what I was thinking. I wonder how it would look if I tied it. Oh my god, what it, look at that. Okay. Don't tell me this ain't cute. So this is a set I bought from Boohoo, and I do like it. It's in my recent Boohoo haul. I'm gonna keep the top, but I'm gonna get rid of the bottom because the bottom is just way too high. Okay, so this dress I bought from, where did I buy this from? Pretty Little Things. Never got a chance to wear it. I was planning to buy it to go to an all-white party. If you want to see what it looks like on, then you can go check out that video. I'm not keeping this. Keeping. Oh, yeah. This, I've never gotten a chance to wear it, and now that I've tried it on, I think I might actually keep it. I think it's cute. I think it would be great for this summer. It's really cute. It's a nice Instagrammable moment. You can take a picture like this, you know, just serving angles, body, everything. So I'm gonna keep her. These are 2 dresses I know for a fact can go. Whew. Girl, I can't breathe. I'm out of breath. So this is what the dress looks like on, and it's cute. It's a good moment. It's a really nice quality thick bandeau dress. This is from the Guess, but as you can see, it doesn't fit the chest. So at this point, I'm really just holding on to hopes and dreams. Okay, and it's time for them to go. It's time for me to let it go. Let it go. Yeah. Girl, this wig snatched both me and my wig, okay? I had to take my wig off to get into this. But as you can see, I feel like it was worth it. I was saying I was gonna get rid of this, but I actually kind of like this dress, and it's pretty much my only like little black dress that I own that's not casual. And I don't know, I think I like it. Oh girl, this whole video is a workout. This whole video is a workout. I really hope you guys are enjoying this because god damn. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about the top, like the dress. It's the jumper. I'm losing my mind. It's too big. Like it's too big. I'm swimming in it. Look at all this extra space. It has like weird gathering. When I wore it, it kept sliding down on me, so I was constantly doing this and adjusting here so it could sit in the right places. It's a nice outfit. It's just the wrong size, and because of that, I'm just not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna bring this to a seamstress. I know somebody in my family would appreciate it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna get rid of the skirt. It's a really nice skirt, and I love it. It's a nice Instagrammable moment, but for whatever reason, I haven't worn it in almost 2 years, so I think it's time for it to go. That can go. All this stuff I know I'm gonna keep, so I'm not even gonna bother even wasting my breath. Yeah, I think that's it. I feel like I was successful. I'm gonna show y'all what I ended up with. Okay, so this is everything that I said I was gonna keep. And I know it looks like a lot, and it doesn't really look like a very successful declutter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through all these piles, not this pile, I know I don't want those stuff. But I'm gonna go through the keep pile again and see if there's anything in there that I can actually get rid of that I said I wanted to hold on to. So this is the final product of my closet declutter. And honestly, when I was looking at the piles on the floor, I really didn't think I did that good of a job. But now that I'm looking at my closet, I think I did pretty freaking amazing, considering that this is my entire wardrobe for the most part, minus my jeans. This is summer and winter clothing. I can see everything, and I know all these pieces that I'm looking at right now I can easily pull for. I won't, you know, feel like I won't feel iffy about it, which is amazing, and that's really what I wanted. And I feel like I have a really nice base to add to. It is way later at night, but I went ahead and went through my keep section in my closet once again, and I decided to get rid of these 3 items. If you've watched my recent hauls, then you know what these all look like on. Over there is my donation / going away pile, the big jacket right there. I did decide to keep the leather jacket for now, just because I feel as though until I find its replacement, it wouldn't be too smart, and I don't want to get too ahead of myself and get rid of the jacket and then regret it. And then this whole, this bottom right here, I did actually decide to get rid of the top as well, so it's right there. I just don't feel as though I'm gonna use it, and it's definitely way too see-through, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, this is my bag of decluttered clothes. I'm super happy about this. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this declutter with me. This was definitely challenging to do. I highly urge you, if you've not done a closet declutter, definitely take some time to do it, especially now that we're on quarantine and we're kind of stuck in the house. This is definitely the best time to do this. It definitely took some time to do, but I'm very, very, very happy that I finally got around to doing it. Okay, I'm babbling, and I've been trying to film this outro for so long, so just long story short, I love the foundation that I'm now left with in my closet, and my goal is moving forward is to continue to add functional pieces to my closet that I know I will get my use and wear out of, and stuff that will just stand the test of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter with me. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video on Monday. Bye. Whoa, sis, that is not okay. So what we're not gonna do is act like that's not a problem. That's not what we're gonna do.